Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Xbox error code 0x80073d0f. Now this is an error code that happens for a very specific reason, so there is a very specific way to solve this particular error code. Now before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get started. So as you can see, most of the times you'll see this error code when you're trying to start a game or an app on your Xbox console. Now, this may mean that there is needed an update preventing the game or app from opening. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to either reinstall the app, or you want to update the app, or you want to update or reset the cache on Xbox. So that's what you can do. Now, to resolve this issue, make sure that all game and app updates are complete. You can try then launching your content again. Now, if there is still issues, the issue could be in your Xbox or maybe in your internet as well. So make sure to update your, to see if an Xbox has some issues, either software or hardware. Now, alternatively, you can go here and you can web chat from Monday to Sunday with a support, or you can call the support as well, because it's a much easier way to go and, to call the support, which is a really great way to, to go and see if you can fix this error for yourself. Now, hopefully I found this, hopefully you will find this video useful, not me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video.